welcome back to this channel. This is Ruth and Family channel. I am back with another awesome video for you guys today. If this is your first time, I welcome you. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and if you are a returning person, thank you also. I want to thank you guys. Before I give you guys what I'm going to talk today about, happy new year again. Happy new year's. Yes, 2022 is finally here. This is my first video in 2022, guys. I have been off for over a week now, and I was like, I gotta post a video for my YouTube family. So yes, guys, I'm here with another video. I'm gonna talk about a brand that is very close to homeland. Yes, it's very close to homeland, guys. It's Africa. I got this product from Africa, so I want to share with my family. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave the link below. You can look at it. But first of all, happy new year. I hope you guys are having a good start of the new year. Yes, I pray that God will give you guys direction, bless you guys throughout this year, especially good health, financial provision, and direction. That's what I pray for you guys for. I know a lot of us have our New Year's resolutions, which is nice, but let's pray that God help us so that those resolution will come to pass. Amen. All right, guys, so I don't want to waste no time. Let's jump into the video. Today's video is about Enda. Have you guys heard about Enda? Leave me a comment below if you ever heard of Enda. Today we are talking about this product, Enda. That's the name of the brand, Enda. Yes, in Kenya it means let's go. That's the meaning of Enda in Kenya. Or Swahili, I think they speak Swahili over there. It means let's go. So today we're talking about this product, Enda, guys. You're gonna love it. I saw a video on YouTube about this product. I think it was a guy that I always watch his videos, Village Boy or Eddie Meyer on YouTube. He was talking about this lady that created this Enda product, and they based in Kenya. And this is the first shoes that, like a professional shoes, made in Africa. I'm telling you guys, this shoes is made in Kenya. This is the first African brand. We have to be proud of this brand, proud of this lady that come up with that idea to actually go back home and start this product. I was so inspired, I'm telling you. So I had to order me some of the product. I ordered one for my husband, and I also ordered another one for myself. I already started wearing this sneaker, guys. They are so comfortable. That's the first thing. So comfortable. Not only comfortable, they are lightweight. I love this product. I'm going to give you the reasons why I love it, because I wear a lot of sneakers. I have different brands. Do you know how you have that one sneaker that you really love, you always go to? I feel like this is it for me right now. This brand, they have different types of sneakers. So I'm going to tell you guys the type that I ordered. Okay, guys, this is the one I got. This is Kobe Fora. That's the name of this type of sneaker, Kobe Fora. Guys, this is so lightweight. This feels like high-end sneaker. First of all, when I first heard about it, I was skeptical. I said, oh, sometimes these shoes they made in Africa, it might not be as good as the ones we used to over here. But let me tell you, this Kobe Fora, it feels like you're walking on cloud. I love it. I've been doing a lot of walking and I love it. These shoes is awesome. So this is the Kobe Fora. When you look at these shoes, this style has some kind of lines on here. I don't know if you guys can see lines. Everything on these shoes represents something. If I can remember everything they represent, I will let you guys know. I think these lines here, it represents their independence. I think there are 12 lines. Yeah, there are 12 lines. It represents when they got their independence from the British rule. Yeah, so these lines here stands for their independence. And also you look right here, they have like a spear. It looks like a arrow or spear. This is like the tool they use for hunting. So, and they have this on their flag or some of their emblems that represent their country. So that's what it is, the arrow. I just think that is so cool. You know, the shoes, whatever they do on here, it represents something for them. I don't know everything, and if you can look at the back here, you can see it has like their logo too, the Kenya flag logo. And also you look at the back here say Harambee. It means something. I'm gonna find out what it means. Hold on one second. Harambee. Also have the arrow at the back. It's a little bit dirty at the bottom because, like I said, I've used these sneakers. My husband and I used it. We started wearing it for Thanksgiving. Yeah, I wore it to Thanksgiving. I'm gonna put some pictures so that you guys can see when I have it on. I was walking on clouds. So comfortable. So comfortable. I love these sneakers. Okay, Harambee. That's the word right here. It means let's pull together. Harambee. It says let's pull together. I think that is so cool, guys. Yeah, these people that made this sneaker, actually is a lady. If I can find her name, I will put it at the bottom there for you guys to see. And also I will put a link to their website if you are interested to go look at the products. But these shoes cost about $100. Yeah, $100. That's what they cost. And I think for $100 they are worth it. You know, these shoes are very, very nice. I didn't regret spending $100 on this sneaker. They are very, very comfortable. I know here in America we have some sneakers that we pay for over $100-$200, but this one for $100 for this quality, this shoes is really nice, very comfortable. I really like it, and I choose this color because I want it to go with any outfit that I wear. They have colored ones. Any kind of color you want, they have it. Usually they got green, blue, they got black, gray, they got some reds too. They have a lot of colors. I'm gonna leave the link below if you guys are interested. But this is, so they say products made in Kenya, and if you look in the inside, it has their flag in there. Kenya flag is in there. So yeah, I'm so proud of Africa. I am so proud that we having these entrepreneurs going over there starting business. And let me tell you guys the reason why I'm so proud of the product, and I want to share with you guys. This is not sponsored, but I need to share it with you guys. Let me give you my reason. But 2% of every sale goes to feeding the children, the underprivileged children in Kenya. So they have like a charity organization there that helps the hungry kids or the kids that are underprivileged. So 2% of each pair you buy goes towards those charities. And also they provide jobs, guys. They provide jobs. These people that are working at this factory, they are Kenyans that make their living through this company, and they feed their family. So that's creating job. You know, I am so happy that I was able to spend that money, and I know that 2% of that money is going towards the children and also creating job for the people in Africa. They are not only creating jobs, but they are also giving back to their community, which is very, very important. Giving back to the community is very essential. You know, in when you creating job, you're not only helping the people that are working there, but you're also helping the community. Those people have families, those people have children, and they have this job that can provide for them. Because I know what I'm talking about. In Africa, it's difficult. Sometimes people graduate, they finish their college, they don't have any job. But if we can have people create job for those our brothers and sisters there, I think that's a good thing, you know. So creating job for people over there helps the community. And the other thing and that company working towards is trying to keeping the earth clean, staying away from plastic, and that is working towards that. Yeah, they're using most of their product earth friendly. They don't like to use plastics. They don't use plastics, you know. And I remember one time my sister told me, because my older sister always visits Kenya, and she told me that in Kenya they don't use plastic bags. You know, the plastic bags we use everywhere in Africa, America. You go to the Walmart, grocery stores, they put your products in plastic bags. She told me in Kenya, when you go to the grocery stores, they don't use plastics. They use a kind of bag that is made out of cotton materials or some kind of material, you know. It's different. So which is a very good thing, you know. We need to keep the environment clean, keep the earth clean, because plastic waste, they end up in our ocean, ocean, and then they end up clogging the ocean and causing a lot of issues. Reduce the use of plastic. I think that's a good thing. So Enda, kudos to you guys for that. I like that. Guys, I really like the fit of these shoes. It fits very well. I am 100% satisfied with this shoe. I am. So I'm gonna leave the link below if you are interested. Yeah, so this is Enda. I have the same color for me and my husband. I picked neutral. They have men and women, and their sizes is pretty much true to size for me, because I wear in sneakers size 8 because I like to leave room for my socks. My actual size is 7.5, so I usually order 8 so that I can have room for socks. This is mine. They pretty much look the same. Yeah, the only difference is inside the tag they will tell you if it's for male or female. Yeah, Kenyans, I'm very proud of you guys. I am very proud. Look at the tag inside, guys. This is the tag. Yeah, that will tell you the size. This is size 8. In Europe, size is 38.5, and this shoes is about 25 centimeter. This shoes is lightweight. It's about 9 ounce, 9 point something ounce. So lightweight. You wear this all day, you don't feel any burn. The day I wear, you know how you wear new shoes, you're thinking that, oh, it might be burning somewhere, hurting. This, it never happened with this shoe. Comfortable, fit, it's so good. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the video. Join the family. You don't want to miss this 2022, guys. I'm telling you, this 2022 is a year of triumph going forward. We're not going backward anymore. Like I said the last video, we're not looking into 2021. We are looking towards 2022, to the future and what God have for us. Okay, and I pray that God will take us through this 2022 with good health and also sound mind and focus. All of us should have something to focus on this year. Don't just be looking at backward in 2021. Focus on something in the future. Okay, I love you guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, if you haven't subscribed yet.